Good morning, everybody. Today on Mad Science with Bobbie, I am going to do a liquid density experiment. So what you're going to need is a jar, some honey, corn syrup, dish soap, oil, and rubbing alcohol. As well as these liquids, you're also going to need to find some things around your house that you can put inside the jar to see the density of the objects in the liquid. So I chose to find some balls. I have a cap, I have a screw, and I also have a button. So we'll try those after we pour our liquid in. So we'll go ahead with that part. So you're going to want to put enough liquid in that you can see the different layers. So I'm going to start with the honey. There we go. Little tricky to get out. Okay. And then we're going to pour in some corn syrup. After the corn syrup, we're going to put in some dish soap. You can already see the layers coming together. Next, we'll put in the oil. And finally, we will put in the rubbing alcohol. So you can see the different layers that are happening there right now. Perfect. So all of these liquids have different density. What we're going to do now is, I just want to show you, even stirring the liquid doesn't make it mix. You'll see the layers will go back to the way they were, even by stirring it. Okay, and for the final part of this experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to add our objects to it just to see which objects sink and which ones stay at the top. So we have a golf ball here, and I'm going to put that in, and let's see where it ends up. Okay. As you can see, it ended up right in this area right here. So it didn't sink to the bottom. It's right here. Okay, now let's try this ping pong ball. That one's sitting at the top. Okay, let's pull that out and we'll try a different ball. Here's another ball. It's a little heavier. Let's toss that in. Okay, let's see where that ended up. So I'm going to move the camera, and that ball ended up, let's see if I can find the jar here, in the second layer. Can you see it there? Okay, and we'll do one more object. Let's try this cap. Okay, so look at that. I'll show you that again. I'm going to move the camera. And if you can see that, the ball is there and the cap is way over here. Right there. It looks like the green cap is floating on top. The heavier ball is in the middle layer. The golf ball is right around here, and I haven't found anything to sink yet. But those are kinds of things that you can do at home. You can change the fluid that you're using. You could change the materials that you're using. You can try different colors of fluids. That would be a really neat extension to this activity. And so basically what's happening is it's introducing children to the different densities in liquids. And when you add the solid objects to the liquid layers, you can see what happens based on the weight of the material. So try this at home and maybe share it with us. We'd love to see what you're up to with it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.